tu naru te tangata toitu te whenua.
Ko tahi te kakano he nui ngā hua o te raka.
Manaaki whenua, manaaki tangata, haere whakamua.
E hara taku toa, e toa takitahi, e toa takitihi ke.
Ko au te Taiao, ko te Taiao ko au.
What is your vision for Te Taiao? So what would you like the natural environment to be like in the future?
To be nice and eco-friendly and no plastic and lots of trees and plants.
I think there's enough people concerned about packaging and food and things like that and transport. So my vision is that we're all kind to each other and consider other people before ourselves, and then we'll all be a lot happier. So really just being kind.
Thank you.
Well, I think it'd be really cool if if we have more like trees and bushes and like lots more nature.
I think there should be not so much like resources and like food that are packaged in plastic because it's bad for the environment.
I would like it to be really green and lots of native birds and animals around. And I would like there to be like a whole world full of Zealandia.
Well, I'd like there to be a lot of land, like this Zealandia place, around New Zealand and other countries. So that would be great. And like in like the city and stuff, there'd be like a lot of plants around, like trees, planting missions and stuff.
Kia ora koutou. What are your visions for the future Te Taiao?
Well, I think that everyone knows about like reducing plastic and reducing waste, but I think we should more focus on the bigger issues that we can't just solve by picking up plastic. Like how we need to reduce doing cars because that petrol affects like also us, it makes us get sick. And also we need to clear out the pine trees because they take up a lot of our forest, which we like to grow native trees.
Thank you.
I think we need like more pest-free areas like Zealandia, and I think it's maybe there's a few islands that don't have any pests because we didn't have them before, so we can do that maybe if we try. More people walking and biking to their works and stuff.
I think we should have a more sustainable way to produce energy and not dig up coal and palm oil and things like that. And we should make sure that there are more nature reserves and places like Zealandia.